In this problem, we're given triangle ABC has points 1, 3, 5, -2, and -2, -4. We want to determine the largest of the three angles of triangle ABC. So let's draw out this picture. So point A is at 1, 3. Point B is at 5, -2. 2, 3, 4, 5. And point C is at -2, -4. So how do we figure out the largest angle? Well, in geometry, there's a rule that says that the largest angle is opposite the longest side. So, as a stand-in for finding the actual angle, because we can't really measure this directly, we can figure out what are the lengths of these three sides. So let's see, A is 1, 3, B is 5, -2, C is -2, -4. All right, so what we do is we use the distance formula. So we take our two x values and subtract them. So 5 minus 1 squared, plus we take the two y values, subtract them, -2 minus 3 squared. So we have 5 minus 1 is 4, plus -5 squared. So you have square root of 16 plus 25. Square root of 41. Now we're going to leave this in exact form because everything is going to be under square root anyway. So the next one down here, take the x values. -2 minus 5, and then -4 minus -2. So we have -7 squared, -2 squared. So this is 49 plus 4, so square root of 53. So already we've identified that this is a longer side than this one. So now it comes down to this to see if this side is longer. So the two x values, -2 minus 1, and -4 minus 3. So here we have -3 squared plus -7 squared. So -3 squared is 9 plus 49. And that's going to be 58. So this is the largest side, AC. So that means the largest side is paired with the largest angle that's opposite. So the largest angle is B. And we're done.